Oh yeah, we should. So we found our first little spots. Gonna hang out here, make a sandwich, right, Cian? What are you working on?
I think we are gonna make some coffee now. Got some, oh, it smells good.
What do we got? What do we pick up for this trip?
Water Avenue coffee.
So we scored some.
What else do we need?
So we'll need our MSR, all that good stuff. Gonna boil up some water, make some coffee, fix up some sandwiches. Let Petey do his thing, do his business, and we're gonna get back on the road.
Do I light it from here?
Yeah. Pop the gas.
There it goes.
Hang on. I can just set it on there, on one of those slots. Just don't spin it.
Turn it off.
Just don't touch the metal. You just fill it up. Alright, you will never believe where Cian and I are standing at this very second. So we drove how many hours to get to this spot from our house?
Like, was it 15 hours?
Like 15 or 16 hours
Yep.
to get to this. So Cian,
This is the one spot I really wanted to see. I can't believe we're actually standing here after I spent so long trying to find it.
how excited are you from a scale to 1 to 10?
Like a 15.
Alright, so I'm about to show you guys.
Can't wait for sunset.
Oh, sunset here is going to be sick!
Epic.
So we're actually going to camp up here. You can see the truck in the background. We're going to camp in this spot. But I'm going to kind of show you guys where we're standing right now because it's a little sketch. So check this out. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been hanging out here for the last like 3 or 4 hours, just chilling, soaking up the view. It's absolutely amazing, this little spot. So now it's dinner time. So we are cooking up some steak tacos on the back of the Tacoma. Cian is cooking it up. She is the Chef Boyardee, if you will. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some dinner, and then like in about an hour and a half is when the sun's supposed to come down, and then we're gonna take a whole bunch of sunset shots. So super stoked to do that.